Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the final video and the music you want to use, and then import both into your editor. Make sure your project frame rate and audio sample rate match the video. Mismatches cause sync drift. Once done, place the full video on the timeline and add the music track on a separate audio layer beneath. If the song is longer than the video, trim. If shorter, decide to loop or add a second track, because you want continuous background sound without abrupt cuts. Now focus on balancing and timing. Reduce the music level so it supports, not overpowers, dialogue. A good starting range is roughly -18 to -12 dB. Use keyframes or volume automation to duck the music whenever dialogue or important sound effects occur. This keeps speech intelligible. For long videos, loop with crossfades or layer ambient tracks to avoid repetition. Also align musical accents with scene changes where appropriate, because that connection improves perceived pacing and emotional impact. Finish by exporting a short test section, then the full video using your target audio codec and bitrate. Listen on different systems to confirm balance. If you notice sync drift, verify frame rate and audio sample rate match source files and clear or re-render audio caches before re-exporting. For clicks or pops, add brief fades of a few milliseconds at edit points. For phasing between stereo layers, try inverting one channel or using a mono mix. These steps wrap up the process and prevent common audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.